In this video, I will show you how to calculate weighted average grade in Microsoft Excel. So we have this sample data. You have to type this formula equal sign and type sum product, select it. Now select then comma and select weight. Now closing bracket, here sum, select it and select this one now. Closing bracket, press enter. So this is the formula, guys. You can get the average. I will show you again. Equal sign, sum product, double click on it, select this first arrow, comma, then second, and closing bracket. Now slash and sum, select it and select this one and closing bracket, enter. So thanks for watching.